wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Happy New Year.
To everybody out in the printing industry, happy holidays, have a happy new year. God bless.
I just want to wish my Baldwin colleagues all around the world a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey everybody, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas all the way from sunny Orlando, Florida.
Merry Christmas, wishing you a joyful and filling holiday season.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from the O'Brien family here in Colorado.
I just want to say thank you to all our customers. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy Holidays from New York.
And a happy and healthy new year.
Wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays.
From England, season's greetings everybody, and best wishes for 2022.
Hello from Southern California. The Prieto family want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. We'll see you soon.
Merry Christmas and wishing you all a fantastic start to the new year.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
All right. Happy holidays. I'm the naughty Malone.
And I'm the nice one.
I hope everybody has a safe holiday and a happy new year.
Happy holidays to everyone and your families.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from Baldwin, Sweden.
Hey everybody, greetings from sunny Newport Beach, California. Just want to take the time, wish everybody a happy, healthy, and safe holiday season, and Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas from the Baldwin team here in Sweden, and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
No iguana.
Merry Christmas
Merry Christmas.
from our house
To yours.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Deseándoles a todos y a sus respectivas familias una feliz Navidad y un próspero año nuevo 2022.
Happy holiday greetings from Sweden.
Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a prosperous New Year to you from St. Louis, Missouri, USA.
But I wish you all a happy, safe, merry holiday season.
Merry Christmas from our family to yours.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from AMS.
Hi everybody, happy holidays and Merry Christmas from Wisconsin.
I want to thank our customers, our team members, and our suppliers from around the globe for your trust and support this past year. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a festive holiday season. All the best to you and your families for the remainder of 2021, and I'm looking forward to a prosperous 2022 together.